Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, we can discuss what is meant by the cloud computing and what are the types of cloud computing, and we can discuss some specific purpose like some education purpose and some entertainment purpose. So, what are these education industries and the specified entertainment industries are using these cloud computing clearly nowadays? That is cloud computing. So directly we can say that what is meant by cloud computing means we can store some images, files, videos, documents, or so much of data in a storage. So that storage will be maintained by a service. So the service is called that cloud computing service. The cloud computing is nothing but we can do just only one thing. Just we can pay some rents for them and we can utilize directly the resources from the different services. So we can discuss in this session some services also. So we can go for so much of types of services means firstly infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service means we can edit for suppose we can control edit or do something in some infrastructure for suppose in Amazon web service we can doing some projects, we can control those projects and do something and we can something do by our handling also, but the storage and all those things will be maintained by that Amazon web service, that is AWS, which is one of the extensive company which is providing so much of resources nowadays for some least amount of prices and so much of things nowadays. So that is one of the service we can see this infrastructure as a service. And we can see another service, that is product as a service, platform as a service, that is nothing but one of the platform. So platform as a service means in this platform as a service, suppose a Google engine is one of the example for this platform as a service, that is nothing but we can directly make some apps by using, so all the resources are available in that platform as a service. We can directly use some resources as a in a kitchen we have already all the appliances, all the things in this that kitchen we can do just cooking and we can get some recipe like that. We can do these things directly, we can take the app as a results in this platform as a service. And we can go for the third one, that is software as a service. Software as a service is nothing but the service we can directly go to that software and we can use that service directly. That software is directly connected to the over the internet, and over the internet we can use the services directly. That is nothing but we can using the services directly with respect to the our software. For suppose for example one of the services WhatsApp and Google Drive, Google emails, we can see so much of services in the software things, software as a service we can using nowadays like Netflix, so much of things already we can using this software as a service. So we can go next for the things, that is education. So in this education purpose, what are the things this impacting means, so in back days a teacher or a student just they can bring some of just a little bit of matters of some data and they can discuss a limited things in a day or in a session or in a class. Just some limited things will be seen and they can't see any images or any things, they can just write and just do something things in these web services. But we can in nowadays the students and teachers are taking that services as a different type of things. For suppose over the internet they can directly go to that internet purposes and they can use a huge number of services, and they can use these extensive purposes. For suppose we can give one of the thing, so that is Zoom meetings. So they can have in the pandemic situations, we can't say just classes also we can't imagine, but in this situation also these services, that cloud services will be works for these Zoom services and etc. So we can do these things like Byju's app also. We can see Byju's for that images and so much of things and explanations. So that is the different things will be offering by this Byju's also. That is one of the major point for the education purpose. And we have so much of advantages for this cloud computing. It means it can have some algorithms also. If you have searched something that that related things will be suggested for the next time for your videos and for your things which are related for your user. Every user is a unique, every user searches a different things, different profiles have different searches, depend on the services, depend on the about data. That cloud computing algorithm will give recommendations directly to the every person. So that is the wonderful thing here. And next we can go for the entertainment purpose. So in entertaining industries we can see some Netflix, some Spotify, so much of services nowadays. So that is Netflix is nothing but so some billions of so much of movies are so much of things streaming over the internet. We can use directly, we can see that things are directly, we can use that streamings as watching some movies which are favorite to us. So we can't storage now, we can't do some store for us, but we can use directly over the internet. The storage will be using through this cloud computing. The technique in this point is, that is the one of the thing, that is cloud computing is the one of the major reason for this Netflix thing. So that is one of the thing for the our these industry relevant purposes. For suppose one of the Spotify has some millions of songs in these clouds. So we can search us directly. You want a music, you can directly search that music, and that music will be comes in front of you within seconds or within minutes, depend upon your internet services. On that internet services you can use that fruits directly, you can enjoy, you can take the entertainment directly. That is some services will be provided by these cloud computing. That is the so much of things like so much of companies like Microsoft and this Amazon web service, that is AWS, is providing extensively for these cloud services. We can cloud computing means that thing will just, we can pay something for them for their services. We can take as a rent, so we can paying something and we can take as a rent, and we can use that directly. We need not to do some storages, and we need not to just, we can control and we can use that services, and we can also take in so much of things directly. So that is the beauty of this technology and cloud computing. And we can see so much of companies are using these cloud computing things. Not only companies and entertainment purpose, and not only this education purpose, we have so much of things for this cloud computing, for the different apps and different applications will using this cloud computing for the more and more most entertainment and for the all the services for the betters. But in back days for entertainment we can go for some DVDs and from some dramatical things in practical, but it's not day for that. So it's using of this cloud computing means we are using directly over the internet. That's technology. This is the today's topic, that is nothing but the cloud computing. So in today's topic we have discussed the major point is nothing but what is meant by the cloud computing, what are the types of cloud computing, and education purpose and entertainment purpose, different industries which are using these cloud computing. So like Netflix, Spotify. So we have discussed those things also, and like Google Drive, and so much of things we can using over the internet every day. So in these things will be happening only because of cloud computing. So this is today's topic, guys. This is one of the wonderful trending topic, and I can come with a wonderful trending topics and with a respect to from my channel. If you want to if you want to give any feedback for the video, you can put in the comment section. I can see every comments and I can respond for that comments. And if you happy with this topic, please give one like for, and give subscribe and follow for me in the Instagram, and also in the different platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook. All the links are provided in the description section. Thank you guys. Bye.